हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, मैं आप लोगों का दीपक सर अभी स्केलेटल सिस्टम को लेके आया हूँ जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। हमारा वीडियो यदि आपको पसंद आया, बहुत मेहनत से मैंने बनाया है, तो आप इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को, ताकि आपको नया नया वीडियो देखने को मिले। हम जानते हैं आवर बॉडी इज मेड ऑफ मैनी ऑर्गन। द लंग्स, किडनी, हार्ट, ब्रेन आर द सम ऑफ द वाइटल ऑर्गन ऑफ द बॉडी. Many organs together perform a particular function are called organ system. Some important organ in our body are circulatory system, digestive system, nerve system, respiratory system and many more. The important organ and function of their system to perform equally are known as human body. Now, we are studied about our skeletal system. Look at the diagram. The an adult human being have 206 bones in their body, which are skeletal system of the body and gives the shape of the body. At birth, there are around 304 bones in human body, which decrease to 206 by adulthood, and some of the bones fuse together. Look at the diagram. Diagram shows that the bones are the basic structural form of our body. Now we have studied about each and every part of our skeletal system. These are skull, ribs, backbone, limbs, and most importantly joints and their types. And also we have studied about muscle and their movements and protection of their muscle and bones. Now at first we look the structure of bone, a particular structure of bone. Look at the diagram. In this diagram you saw the lower part of the bone, which is attaches the spoggy bones. They are blinking now. Spoggy bones. Spoggy bones is very delicate and most important part of the bone. Now look, bone marrow. Bone marrow are the soft and fatty substance which are present in whole of the bone, and other part of the bone is patella, tibia, fovea. Now we have studied about skull, ribs, backbone, limbs. At first we have studied about skull. There are 22 bones in skull which protect the most important organ. The brain, except the lower jaw, all the bone of the skull are fixed. It is the movement of the lower jaw that help to eat the food and speak. Now look at the diagram. There are 14 facial bone make together a face of a human body. Only one part of the skull is not movable, and all the body parts, all the skeletal part are movable. Now we have studied about spinal and backbone. A series of small bone from the backbone of human body. These are called vertebra or a vertebral column. It is a strong column which is made up of 33 small bones. The vertebrae are hollow in center and protect the spinal cord. The skull attached to the spine or the backbone through these vertebrae. Now we have studied about most important skeletal part is known as ribs cage. There is a cage of bones around the chest which is called ribs cage. The ribs cage protect heart and the lungs. It is made up of 12 pair of thin curved bones which is attached to the backbone at the back and the flat bone called sternum in the front. However, The last two pair of ribs are not attached to the sternum and hence it is called floating bones. Look at the upper seven bones are known as true bones. Middle three bones are known as false bone and the lower two bones are known as floating bone. Upper bone are called sternum, also called sternum या फिर ribs. The basic function of ribs cage is to protect the vital organ present in our body. Now we have studies about limbs. Humans have two pair of limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs which constitute our arm and hind limbs which constitute our leg. The forelimb of our joint are spine with the help of shoulder girdle which make up the pair of shoulder blades and pair of the collar bones. The arm is made up of two parts. The upper arm which has one end called humerus and lower arm which have two bones the called radina or ulna. Now look the hand and lower part that is called carpus, metatarsus or phalangeus. Now we have studied about hind limbs. The hind limb of our body is called made up of two parts, upper leg and lower leg, which join together at the knee. The upper leg has thigh bone which is powerful bones and bear the weight of our body is called femur. Femur is the longest bone in our body. The long bones are hollow and soft and fatty substance called bone marrow. The upper bone called femur are joined to the patella and tibia and fibula. Now, the basic function of hind limb are taking the weight of the human body and help to move one place to another place. Now we have studied about the most important part of our skeletal system which is joint. Now the meeting point of a bone is called joint. The joint help to bend, twist and turn. A joint has strong tissue called ligaments which hold the bones together. Ligaments are strong elastic tissue. Ligaments are the strong and elastic tissue which hold the bones together. Bone have two basic types, movable or immovable. Now we have studied that immovable joint. The joint that cannot be moved is called immovable joint. The joint of the skull. The joint between the rib cage and breastbone are immovable joint. Look at the diagram. These are the example of immovable joint. Now we have studied about hinge joint. It is like a hinge of the door and help to the bone to move in one direction only. The elbow, the knee, fingers, toes have the hinge joint. They can only move forward and backward. Move forward and backward. Now we have studied about the basic uses of hinge joint. Hinge joint help us to move forward or backward. Now we have studied about pivot joint. The joint which help to join the skull to the back is called pivot joint. It enables to head to move up, down and sideways. Our head are joined to our body with the help of pivot joint. Pivot joint are enable to the head to move up, down and sideways. Now we have studied that ball socket joint. The shoulder and the hip region have the ball socket joint. They allow move in all direction. These joint help in the maximum movement of the body. One bone in like a ball while other like a cup. They fix each other to help to move in all directions. Now we have studied about gliding joints. This joint is found in the wrist and ankle. It allows to bend, twist and turn. Gliding joint allow to bend, twist and turn. Now we have studied about the importance of gliding joint. Gliding joint are very important to bend, twist and turn to our bones. Now look the diagram of muscles. The soft and stretchy band of tissue are called muscle. They are more than 600 muscles in our body. They perform different functions. They tighten and relax and help our joint to movement in our body. Muscle attached to the bone by strong fiber called tendons. Strong fiber called tendons. Now we have studied about three basic type of muscles. First one is voluntary muscle, second one is involuntary muscle, third one is cardiac muscles. Now we have studied about voluntary muscles. Our arm, neck, shoulder, leg have voluntary muscle as they are under our control. Involuntary muscles. Some muscles help in breathing movements of the food in the stomach, intestine and flow of blood. They work on the own and so-called involuntary muscle. They are called smooth muscle also. Cardiac muscle. The muscle of the heart are called cardiac muscle. They pump the blood from all the part of the involuntary nature. Exercise is most important function to cure to our body, to help to our body to move where and there. Be precauted to play with anything. The ear and nose do not have bones inside them. The inner support of are cartilage, which is lighter and more flexible than bone. This is why it can move. The skull is made up of 8 bones joined together.